There is a reason many plumbers keep quiet about this easy kitchen trick, and once you learn it, you will understand how much money can be saved without calling for help or buying harsh chemical products. Everything you need for this amazing DIY solution is already sitting in your kitchen. The first step could not be simpler. Take one fresh egg and crack it into a small bowl, but for this recipe, we only need the egg white. Here is one of my favorite home tricks. Grab an empty plastic bottle, press it slightly, then place the mouth of the bottle over the egg yolk and release. The yolk will slide right into the bottle, leaving the egg white ready for our do-it-yourself cleaner. Next, you will need some dishwashing liquid. It does not matter which brand or fragrance you have. Measure exactly 5 tablespoons of dish soap and add them to a separate container. The reason dish soap is essential is that it easily breaks down grease and residue. When it joins forces with the egg white, the result is a surprisingly strong reaction that helps remove blockages inside your sink. Tell me in the comments which city you are watching from so we can see where everyone is tuning in. Before pouring anything, make sure to get rid of any water left in the sink. The cleaner the surface, the better this DIY mixture will perform. You can scoop out excess water with a cup or a sponge. Now it is time to add another key ingredient, baking soda. Measure 2 full tablespoons and sprinkle them evenly into the drain. Baking soda has long been known for its cleaning power and ability to eliminate odors, which makes it perfect for this process. Now comes the fun part. Pour the egg white and dish soap mixture slowly into the drain opening. This is when the magic truly begins. If you are ready to try this at home, comment yes below. To boost the effect, take 4 cups of very hot water and pour it carefully into the drain. Do not use boiling water. As the heat meets the mixture, you will hear a gentle bubbling sound. That is the reaction working inside your pipes, softening grease and clearing away buildup naturally. For even better results, cover the drain with plastic wrap. This will trap warmth and steam, allowing the ingredients to activate more deeply. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes while the mixture works its wonders. Rate this home trick from 0 to 10. I would love to know what you think. Once the waiting time is over, remove the plastic cover and run water to test the drain. You will see it flowing freely again, clean and fresh without any chemicals or expensive plumbing bills. To keep your drain in perfect shape, repeat this process once every couple of weeks. Regular use prevents residue from forming and helps your kitchen stay odor-free. If you have been dealing with slow or clogged sinks, this simple method might be exactly what you need. Do you have your own home tricks that work this well? Share them below. And if you enjoyed this idea, remember to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who loves do-it-yourself cleaning methods. See you soon in the next video.